Welcome back to MPV Auto. It is said that the 2025 Mercedes AMG G63 will have a lot of new technology and better performance features that will make it even more of a tough luxury SUV. The 2025 model still has the usual AMG power thanks to its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. But it also has 48-volt mild hybrid technology. This method not only uses less gas, but it also adds 15 kilowatts of power and 200 Newton-meters of torque. For a total of 430 kilowatts of power and up to 850 Newton-meters of torque. The G63 now has advanced features built into the AMG Off-Road Package Pro that make it better at handling rough terrain. For example, the AMG Traction Pro mode controls the wheel's brakes specifically to give the best traction. The AMG Active Balance Control feature lets you change how stiff the suspension is on and off-road, making the car more stable and comfortable. The AMG Ride Control suspension has adaptively changeable dampers, and the driver can choose from 3 settings: Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, to make the ride more comfortable or sportier, depending on their needs. It's just a story right now, but maybe it will give you ideas in the future. The G63 keeps the famous boxy shape of the G-Class on the outside. The G63 has adaptable multi-beam LED headlights and a selection of 22-inch AMG wheels in a range of styles that match its performance-oriented nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.